Chapter 2. Santiago carefully held the fishing line, and he knew there was a very big fish there. He thought that it was a marlin, which was one of the biggest fish in the sea. He was an old man, and he knew that it would be difficult to catch this fish and take it home. But he was strong, he was a good fisherman, and he needed this fish. The marlin was very strong. The fish was on the fishing line, but the old man could not pull the fish onto the boat. The fish swam fast and pulled the boat far out to sea. Santiago wasn't afraid. He knew the fish was a good prize, and he could sell it for a lot of money. That night, he didn't sleep. He thought about Manolin, and he thought about the big fish on the fishing line. "Fish," he said softly, "I'll stay with you until the end." The fish swam for a long time and pulled the boat a long way. Santiago held the fishing line with one hand, and he hoped the fish would become tired. The next day, the old man was very hungry, and his hand hurt. A small bird rested on his boat, and he talked to it. He was sad that Manolin wasn't with him. Suddenly, the fish jumped high out of the water, and the old man saw it. It was bigger than his small boat. The old man knew that this was a wonderful fish. It was strong like him, and it wasn't afraid. The old man was now very tired, but he felt strong, and he had enough food and water. "How do you feel, fish?" he asked. "I feel good. I have food for a night and a day." Soon it was the second night, and again Santiago didn't sleep. He thought about when he was a young man. He was stronger and faster then. "Pull the boat, fish," he said. "One of us must stop. It will not be me."